Hello, it's Cam from Stafford Land Rover showing you today this approved used Land Rover Velar HSE finished in black. This 2023 model comes with a 2-litre D200 engine and is paired to an automatic gearbox. The large pixel LED headlights will keep the road well illuminated, offering great visibility for the driver, especially at night, and this car stands on 21-inch 5 split-spoke alloy wheels in the gloss black design. This Velar features a very practical 558 litres of usable boot space capacity, meaning larger luggage items are going to fit in with no trouble. There is adjustable air suspension to help lift heavier items into the car, and the parcel shelf can also be adjusted. The boot can be closed automatically with just the push of a button as well. Stepping into the back of the car, we will find the perforated Windsor leather ebony seats, which do contain isofix points on either side. There is also a fold-down armrest, which will reveal 2 exposed cup holders, and the rear passengers can utilise their own climate control vent with 2 USB-C ports and a 12-volt socket. Making our way into the front of the car, we will see the continuation of that ebony interior, which does include the perforated Windsor leather ebony seats, this time with additional side support for extra comfort, which are fully electronically adjustable with lumbar support. Now taking a closer look at the multifunctional 3-spoke leather-wrapped Range Rover steering wheel, we will see controls on the left for the hands-free and virtual cockpit options, and on the right for the cruise control as well as the heated steering wheel. The virtual cockpit does have different display layouts to best suit the driver preference. This does include map and media options as well. The main touchscreen infotainment system does also include satellite navigation with useful shortcuts such as nearby fuel stations. We can access radio with FM and DAB and use Bluetooth to connect to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The controls for the heated seats are found here as well, which do contain varying levels of power to best suit the current weather conditions. And by clicking the camera icon in the bottom left, we can bring up the rear view parking camera as well as 3D and satellite imagery to help manoeuvre this larger vehicle. Located below the infotainment system is a fold covered pocket, which does include a space for your phone and a USB-C port. Behind the centre console is 2 exposed cup holders, and the leather wrapped armrest can be lifted up to reveal a storage pocket with more USB ports inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video on this approved used Land Rover Velar HSE. For more information, please get in touch now.